This is the Advanced Spectrum 15P by Nilfisk. But the question is, why is it that commercial cleaning companies love this vacuum? This is one of the most popular upright vacuums we see in the commercial sector. Companies that clean buildings, schools, gyms, hospitality, anywhere really that uses a vacuum to clean carpets, you're bound to see some version of this in their fleet. But why is that? Well, it's a workhorse. This thing will take abuse as it's meant to, but also it gives you all the necessary features you want on a machine like this, especially at this price range. By that I mean you do want a pretty durable, long commercial cord, which you get with this. It's a 50-foot cord that hangs on to its holder there. So that's good. This vacuum has two motors. One motor is dedicated for the brush roll, which has a tooth belt, so we would barely service belts on these machines. That's a big thing if you're into the commercial cleaning business. You know how annoying it is to have a belt keep going out on you. And another motor, which is a very powerful motor for suction. So there's two motors in there. But this also means that in the upright position, the machine can turn on without you having the brush roll spinning, which means you get suction. And when you get just suction, that means you're allowed then to use a very long, flexible hose for, corners, stairs, baseboards. Right here is where you also get an upholstery tool that is on board in the body, as well as a place for you to hold bags. This is, by the way, the crevice tool that comes with the vacuum right here. Now, that plus the fact that it gets a 3-stage filtration. Now, in this particular vacuum right now, we have a paper bag, which is very cost efficient. People like that, but you could instead have cloth bags. You have a filter, which is a pre-motor filter right there under the bag. You also do have the third exhaust filter, which is a pretty decent HEPA filter, and to the front of the machine. The floor head has a couple of nice features as well. It is height adjustable, obviously, because commercial carpets have varying depths or thicknesses. Not only that, one of the most important things about this machine and its head is the fact that with one switch you can very easily remove the brush roll, and this is really nice if you had to change the brush roll or just maintain and clean it without having to use screwdrivers and things like that. Very accessible. This is a 15-inch path. The same model is also available in a 12-inch path. But it checks all the marks. It gives you all the features you could possibly need in a very reliable workhorse of a commercial upright vacuum. Spectrum 15P by Advanced.